In this video, we will be explaining to you how you can fix the pairing failed with iPhone on your Galaxy Watch 8. To fix this problem, you can do these quick fixes. First is to turn off and restart both your iPhone and the Galaxy Watch, and make sure that the Bluetooth is on for both. Also, go to your iPhone settings and then head to the apps and click the Galaxy Wearable, and make sure that the permissions and the locations are all enabled. And keep the watch and phone close together during the pairing. And then make sure that the devices have sufficient battery, which is above 25%. Now we will go to the app and software fixes. You can check the App Store for updates to the Galaxy app and check your iPhone software update settings. Next is to close the Galaxy app and then reopen it, and go to settings and find the general and click the iPhone storage and find the Galaxy Wearable application, and then offload the application by reinstalling to keep the data or just restart your iPhone. And that's how you can fix the pairing failed with iPhone on your Galaxy Watch 8, and thank you for listening.